Good morning, coming at you from 1776 Annabellas Drive in Panama City Beach. It's 32407 in the Gulf Coast Highway area. We have a super clean townhome for you here today. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, built in 2016. Square footage of 1603, so to the left is your coat closet. AC closet and 2-car garage. Immediately to our left here, powder room, half bath, and big living room, dining and kitchen. Great room. Kitchen is treated to granite countertops, solid surface stove, all stainless appliances, pantry, overlooking our dining area, open to the living room. Heading upstairs. All the carpets have been freshly cleaned. Our landing to the left, additional bedroom. Another additional bedroom. To the right is laundry closet. Full bath here. And master bedroom. Tons of space in here, plenty for your king size ensemble. And master bath. Got a walk-in shower. Linen closet, walk-in closet, double vanities. That same great granite that we have in the kitchen and the other bathrooms. Water closet and garden tub for all of your luxuriating. Back downstairs. Take a quick peek of what the yard has to offer. Okay. Open patio. Privacy fence to the back, sitting on 0.04 of an acre. See what the neighbors do. Bring some chair, 2 chairs, a little fire pit, what have you. Make this home, make it your own. Charming little space out here. So again, we are coming at you from 1766 Annabellas Drive, Panama City Beach, 32407.